Alright, so today I'm going to be making a rock, paper, scissors thing. So it's you versus the computer in rock, paper, scissors. So I have these three icons here for the buttons, and I'm just going to get started. So first I'm going to import tkinter to make the buttons as tk. I'm going to import random as r, so we can randomly choose something. So let's make the main window root tk.tk those, and let's make the list of things it can choose from. I already coded the start of it, but then I deleted it because I'm like, why not record it? So I don't want that. Scissors. Okay, rock. I'm trying to go fast just because I'm trying to code as fast as I can for some reason. I don't know. Just like speed coding, and I'm messing up. Alright, def rock, paper, scissors, logic. I think that's what I'll name this one. Choice. That's not. Is that how you spell it? Hold on. R dot choice. Is that how you decision? I don't know. How do you spell choice? Random dot cho ice. Okay. So r.choice RPS, rotations per second, or rock, paper, scissors. Let's make that comp. You computer. No, let's call it comp. That's fine. Is equal to that string. Let's not make it a string. Let's just do that. If choice is equal to comp. So let's do it if it's a tie. So that I have an idea of how I'm going to do this. So let's just do the if choice is that are the same. I'll just for now do print, or I'll do. Let's do print tie, and then return. I kind of want to turn like a true or false, so maybe let's not return any for a tie. Like a true meaning you won, or a false. Maybe I could return a number if it's 1. How am I going to actually do this? So what I'll have is a button where would this be? So let's say I have a rock button. Rock. Here, let's code it below this. How is this actually going to work? So rock equals tk dot button root. Oh, let's import the images. How do I do that again? Finish projects, photo gallery. Okay, well, we don't, no, I just want to see how I actually, okay, TK photo image. Okay, so let's get all the images in as well. Let's get my folder back up here. So, rock, here, let's call it rock image is equal tk dot photo image file equals, so this is rock .png. So now let's just copy that. Control C, Control V, Control. Oh nope. Control V. Okay. Paper. Rock. Paper. Scissors. Also, I just stole these images off the internet, but I cropped them to be the exact same size. And scissors. Alright. So then I'd do something like this. Image is equal to rock image. So let's run that. Valid syntax. Yep, I need those. Run it again. Source space. Oh, I need to put it into a grid. So I think let's have a display as well. Display is equal to tk.label on root. Okay, so I have an idea on how I'm going to do this. Let's do width is equal to we'll see. I have an idea. Alright, so grid display dot grid. Let's add space there. So this will be row. This will be like the top corner. Row 0, column equals 0, and then I'll have a column span of 3. Why is that not showing up? Oh, there's nothing in it. Let's make text equals this is the display. Now let's also put this into a grid. Rock.grid. So row equals 1. Column equals 0. Okay, that is a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, that is like really big. So either I can just make all of it big. Here, let's give it some padding as well. Pad X, let's give it like 3. Patty equals 3. Let's give this some height. Height equals 4. Is that like a good ratio? Now let's copy this 3 times. That's a lot of rock. Rock image. Let's do paper image. Let's add some spaces so I can see what's going on. 7, 0, 1, 2. Paper. Paper. Scissors. I have rock, paper, scissors. So why is scissors plural? Scissor? That doesn't sound right. Is scissors just always plural? Or is scissors the singular and then you just don't have a plural like fish or deer? I don't know. Scissors. Because a scissors is 2 sets of blades. 2 scissors. I don't know. Scissors. Yeah. That looks good. It's a lot bigger than I thought. And I'll definitely have to make the text bigger if that's something I can do. Is that something I can do? Is it like font size? Text size? Is that a thing? Font equals like 23. Oh, that actually worked. Did that change the font or the size? I can't tell. Let's make it like 30. I can't compare them. I think it made it bigger. But I think that's actually... And then I think I'll have another button, play again, equals tk dot button root text equals press to play again. Add that. Just because. Play again dot grid. So this will be in row 2, column 0 with a column span of 3. And I think I kind of want to keep it small. Oh, no, I definitely want it bigger. I want it to be like as width is that. Alright, let's try width equals 75. Is that too big? No, that's... Yeah, that is actually too big. Here, let's add some padding to this. This needs some patty. Let's give it like 10. And then let's make it like just 70. Yeah, that looks good. I think this is good. Alright, let's make it not resizable because then it looks weird and stuff. But that's a good GUI. GUI. Such a weird name. So, let's figure out the logic now. So when you press this, what will actually happen? You'll select rock, and what it will do is go to here with rock is this. It'll choose a random one out of this list. Here, I think another thing just for troubleshooting, print comp, just so I can see if it's doing it right, if it's doing the logic correctly. And then I'll probably, in the display, I'll have you lost or you won, the computer chose, so and so. Yeah, so let's do command equals lambda rock, paper, scissors, logic. This is rock. Let's just copy that. Control C. Control V. Paper. Control V. Scissors. Print. Choice. Period, question mark, button 2. Button 3, button 2, button 1, button. Why is it, what? Why? Why? It's getting, so it's printing what the computer chooses, because that's different. But then this is button 1, button 2, button 3. What? What is that? Print choice. Oh! Because I didn't put, yeah, I need that. I think. Yeah. Otherwise it thinks it's a variable. Because, oh yeah, because it's printing itself, and I guess it is a, but that's, okay, let's just, that's interesting. Rock, paper, good. So rock, rock. Okay, we're getting a lot of ties. Okay, so that's a tie. If choice equals rock, and computer equals, so rock beats scissors. So if computer is scissors, print you win. And then I think I'll do return true. If so, I'll have this choice equals rock. Let's do paper and computer. So there's 6 possible ones, but I think I know I only have to code like, well, using the tie, I'd only have to code 5 instead of 7, whatever. Paper, if they do rock, then you win and you return true. And if, here, I think I have to do elif. It won't really change anything, just might make it a little millisecond slower because it's not very complicated. Elif choice equals scissors and computer chose paper. Oh, I need to add these to everything. It's gonna yell at me a bunch if I don't. Then do that. And then else. So if none of those are true, then that means that you lost. Print you lose. Return false. Although, what am I going to return to? I don't think this is the best thing. Alright, I'm back. I just ate dinner. I mean, you wouldn't know that because I just cut past it. I didn't really think about it. I still don't know what to return to. Like, here, let's just test it, see what it does. Invalid syntax. Why is that invalid? Do I need to put that? Okay. Okay, yeah, I didn't like that. Why? Not. Oh, 'cause I don't have that. Okay, yeah. Scissors, scissors, tie. I win. I lose. Tie. Lose. Win. Win. Seems like it's random enough that you win, that you tie at like one. It's like so. It's perfect random. Like every 3, you win 1, you lose 1, you tie 1. Which makes it seem like you tie a lot, because you don't usually, I mean, there are some games of rock, paper, scissors where you tie a lot, but it's not that often. Usually you win, because one person always does scissors and one person always does rock. And then there's those weird people that do paper for some reason. But, yeah. So I think instead of returning anything, I'll just do display dot configure text equals you tied. Let's add in that. You chose plus ice plus and the computer chose plus comp. So let's test that out. Unexpected indent. What? Why did I just full screen? I just need more space. Okay. Expected indented block. Here. I think I just need to put these in here. So it. Yeah. So I just need to go until I get a tie. You tied. You chose scissors. The computer chose scissors. I guess that's kind of dumb for tied because you know what the computer chose if you. Here, I think I definitely need to capitalize that. Okay. So I think I can actually just copy this line for all three and then just change to you won. And then now I can just copy it because it's the same. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. You lost. There we go. You tied. You chose scissors, the computer chose scissors. You tied. You chose paper, the computer chose paper. You won. You chose rock, the computer chose scissors. I think it works. So I don't think I really need. I think I can just turn this button down here into press to exit. Command equals exit. Alright, there we go. So, this is the code. I will release this into my Discord server, and you might have come from the Discord server. Or you might, if you're in the Discord. So yeah, Discord server link in the description. Please join, and you can find this file code. You can find this file of code in the Discord server. And actually, by the time this video comes out, it'll already be in the Discord server because I'm gonna put it in there right after this. So if you want exclusive, premium, ultra good, early release access to random code with no context, then join the Discord. Yeah. And you can now play rock, paper, scissors against yourself. Hold up, wait, there's one more thing I need to do. And you go down here, root.main loop. And now let's make it look like I'm good at coding by getting rid of all the spaces so it looks just like a block of code. And also, so if I ever try to go back in, because it stops working, it looks just like a mess of, yeah. So, 32 lines of code, half a stack. Not bad. I probably should get rid of that. Unless people, yeah, I probably should get rid of that, actually. Because that's just for troubleshooting. There we go. There we go. Rock, paper, scissors. Leave your suggestion for anything I completely was like. If I missed something that's really obvious and I'm just being stupid, tell me in the comments so I can add it and then release the better version in my Discord server. Oh, I need to first. Oh, there's still more things I need to do. I need to make it so you can't do this, and I need to make a better title than TK. So let's do that. All right, root dot title rock paper scissors. That's a good title. Root dot resizeable. Do I get rid of that E? Resizable. Let's see if it shows an error. Width equals false. Height equals false. Error? No error. And I can't do it. Good. It works. There we go. So I will be releasing this code into my Discord server. And yeah, you should join the Discord if you have Discord. If you don't have Discord, you should probably get Discord. Yeah. So also leave in the comments ideas of what I should do next, or like what things I should code, because I'm pretty bad at making ideas of things. This is all I have, and most of them are like extremely difficult. So I'm going to add something I did. I did the meal generator fix, so I can cross that off. Balanced meal gen. You need your dairy, protein, and beans. I think beans are protein though. Alright, whatever. Rock, paper, scissors. I know this is Python's ideas, but I also like to write things that I did on the day. So 4/9/2020 at 8:11 p.m. Okay. Alright. So I'll actually zip this whole folder up and then put it in there. But yeah. So outro's like wash your hands.